Have you ever wondered how to keep track of your finances? It can be tough to know where your money is going, especially if you're not careful about tracking your expenses. In this video, I'll show you how to enter transactions in Goodbudget, a budgeting tool that can help you stay on top of your finances. Goodbudget is a budgeting tool that uses the envelope system. This system helps you track your spending by allocating a certain amount of money to each category of expenses. For example, you might allocate $100 per month for groceries or $50 per month for entertainment. Entering transactions in Goodbudget is easy. All you have to do is click on the Transactions tab and then click on the Add Transaction button. From there, you'll need to enter the date, amount, and category of the transaction. Step 1. Open Goodbudget. The first step is to open Goodbudget. If you don't have Goodbudget installed, you can download it for free from the Goodbudget website. Step 2. Click on the Transactions tab. Once you've opened Goodbudget, click on the Transactions tab. This will take you to the page where you can enter your transactions. Step 3. Click on the Add Transaction button. Next, click on the Add Transaction button. This will open a new window where you can enter the details of your transaction. Step 4. Enter the date, amount, and category of the transaction. In the new window, enter the date, amount, and category of your transaction. The date should be the date that the transaction occurred. The amount should be the amount of the transaction, including any taxes or fees. The category should be the category that the transaction belongs to. Step 5. Click on the Save button. Once you've entered the details of your transaction, click on the Save button. This will save the transaction to your Goodbudget account. Additional tips. You can use the Split button to split a transaction into multiple categories. You can use the Recurring button to create a recurring transaction. You can use the Notes field to add notes to your transactions. You can use the Tags field to add tags to your transactions. You can use the search bar to search for transactions by date, amount, category, notes, or tags. Entering transactions in Goodbudget is a simple process that can help you stay on top of your finances. By following the steps in this video, you can easily enter your transactions and track your spending. If you're looking for a budgeting tool that can help you save money, I highly recommend Goodbudget. You can download Goodbudget for free from the Goodbudget website. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance.